How to delete or leave an FPL league. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing first, keep in mind you can only leave private leagues you joined and not the public leagues. So here is the process that you need to follow. Head over to the application and go to Fantasy. Once you tap on Fantasy, you will see different options. From here, scroll down a bit to check for leagues and cups. On this page, you can see all the leagues that you are a member of. Tap on the league that you want to leave, and at the bottom, you will see the option of Leave League. Confirm on the option and you'll be removed immediately. Keep in mind, once you leave, you cannot rejoin without the code unless the re-invitation is sent to you by the admin. Similarly, in order to delete a league, you need to be the creator or admin. Head over to the administration, tap on Delete League and confirm it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.